Hey everyone, welcome to take a full tour of our hospital laundry workshop today. Our entire working area is divided scientifically with independent isolation zone, contaminated zone, and clean zone. Every step follows one-way flow. Clean and dirty items are completely separated to make sure there is no cross-contamination at all. Let's start from the very beginning. All dirty hospital clothes and linens are delivered to the contaminated isolation area first. All used medical textile, staff uniforms and patient clothing are collected and transported in sealed containers. Workers sort all the dirty fabrics carefully in the polluted area, classify different clothes according to hygiene standards, and prepare them for the next washing process. After sorting, all the dirty linens are sent into the professional medical washing machines. With high temperature washing, deep disinfection, and high standard cleaning, every piece of clothing is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. Right after washing, the clean textiles will be transferred to the drying area. High efficiency drying equipment removes all moisture quickly, keeping the fabrics dry, comfortable, and hygienic. Once drying is finished, we move on to the folding and finishing section. Our workers and automatic folding machines organize all the clean clothes in order. Every garment is neatly folded, arranged and inspected one by one. After the whole processing is done, all clean and sterile linens will be stored in the clean isolation area. From dirty clothes, recycling, washing, drying, folding to final picking up and delivery. We finish the whole closed loop workflow step by step. The whole workshop layout is reasonable. Each functional area is independent and standardized. We strictly control every detail in daily operation to provide safe, clean, and reliable textile service for hospitals and protect the health of medical staff and patients all the time. This is our complete hospital laundry working process. Thanks for watching.